Morning student, I am today starting the properties of the chord of the circle, that is a theorem on the properties of the chord. Now first one is, say chord is AB and CD are two chords. Equal chords of a circle subtended equal angles at the center, that is it is making an angle this and this we have to prove, that is to prove angle AOB angle equal to COD angle. Given is AB is equal to CD is given. Okay. So that is these two chords are equal chords subtended equal angles we need to prove. Now proof in triangle AOB and triangle COD. What we can say, that is AB is equal to CD. It is given. OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. All these are the radius of the circle. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. This is SSS congruency criteria. So, therefore, angle AOB must be equal to angle COD, and this is CPCT, that is congruent part of the corresponding part of the congruent triangle, which is actually was required to prove. This is proved. Second theorem is actually, this is very much converse theorem of theorem number 1. What is this converse? If the previous one, the chords were equal, that is AB and CD were equal. Here it is given these angles are equal. We need to prove that is this is equal to this is, that is the angle subtended by the chords, if they are equal, then the chords will be equal. Then that is given is angle AOB equal to angle COD. This is given. We need to prove AB equal to CD. Proof. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, what we can just say, that is OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD, the radius of the circle, and angle AOB equal to angle COD. This is given. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. This is SAS criteria, congruency criteria. Therefore, AB equal to CD, that is proved, which is actually required to prove. So, from these two properties of the chord property of the circle, we have seen that is equal chord subtended equal angle, or if the angles at the centers subtend equal, the chords are also equal to each other. This next theorem we can go for the other properties of the chord. Thank you very much.